Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka jingya lenti jong ke India syakasngi kelasang henne kasngi hakapor khatway sanpho minstep ha Satish Dhawan Space Center ha Sriharikota. Ka shimpor kumba shikenta bat lai minute ya Aditya L1 ban sedang ya ka jingya lenti syakasngi. Hakapor shiteng sngi henne kasngi unamding PSLV C57 ubakit yau Aditya L1 ula her syasun haringkat ke jingsawa ke bajam bat ke jing yarisa na kinong tre ke Israel ki balapin pau ya ke jing smukumen lingba ki jing siau bat ki jing thapkti. Ha ke jing ya lenti ke basau benai u Aditya L1 unpoi halak range point 1 ka balong ke jaka bayatan ki arteli ki met beneng kata ke sngi bat ke perthai. Ka jing temu ban Pynher ya Aditya L1 ka long ban kmi bnia ya kil air tawiar ka sngi bat ka jinglong jong ka sngi. U Aditya L1 ura ya nyauteli ki jatiar ki ban kmi ya ka photosphere, chromosphere bat ka benta ka bashabar jong ka sngi kata ka corona.
By 19,500 kilometers, which is intended very precisely by the PSLV, very unique mission mode here, with the upper stage of the PSLV taking 2 burn sequence for injecting the primary satellite for the first time. So I want to congratulate PSLV for such a very different mission approach today to do this mission of Aditya L1 to put it in the right orbit. Now, from now, the Aditya L1 will take its journey after some Earth maneuvers. It will start its journey to the L1 point.
Ki nong mikmat ki ban